Okay, this is one for the books. There's a package here that has come from Spain. I have no idea what it is. I'm not expecting anything, but let's open it together. I have no clue what could possibly be in here. No clue. Oh, it's a pool tester, another pool tester. Huh, from Spain. Interesting. That's 2 pool testers today. What the heck is this? Pool water lab. Huh. I wasn't even expecting this. Crazy. Bunch of stuff here. Looks like you might put your water down there. I'm not sure. This goes over here. This looks like a bunch of supplies. This is like a pool store quality test kit. Weird. Got a CYA test. Calcium hardness. Phenol red. Not sure what we do with that. And a container for water. DPD N-pound 1. Alkalinity M. I don't know. I don't even know what that is. More phenol red. Alkalinity M. DPD N%1. Interesting. It looks like I'm going to have some pretty good pool water this year. I'll put this in the box for now. I'll forget about reading up on this over the next few days and get a complete water test done. Oh, I wasn't even expecting that. It says for the water user manual, go to poolwaterlab-manual.com. So whoever sent this to me from Spain, thank you very much. They want me to feature this pool water lab tester on my YouTube channel. All right. You can find information about it here. And this is a slightly updated version of the kit compared to the one that they initially told me about. And if I ever need more chemicals for it, just reach out and they'll send them to me. Before recording the video, this is just an unboxing, but before recording the video, just watch our tutorial, which explains how to use the tester and conduct the tests correctly. Interesting. So Anna at Pool Water Lab team in Spain, thank you so much. So obviously this video is now sponsored by Pool Water Lab in Spain. Thank you so much, guys. I'll look forward to using this all summer. Take care.